So in this video I discuss about the third question, and I describe all the questions, and two questions also described. So in this question, so actually this question is related to the mathematics. Okay, so and it is from the matrix. So I have put all the things related to the matrix. So now I discuss the question. Okay, so it is given like if f theta, okay, is equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta and cos theta. Okay, it is given. So if it is given, then we need to find the f alpha and f beta. So the option is given. So options A is f alpha y beta. Okay, option B is f alpha plus beta, and option C is f alpha minus beta, and option D is given as 2 into 2 0 matrix. Okay, so these are the four options are given, so we need to find the correct one. Okay, so I hope if you see my video related to the matrix, so you can able to do this. So if you don't see my this video, don't worry, now I can tell you that how I solve it. Okay, so simple. Only we need to replace alpha theta y alpha and beta, and we multiply it. Okay, so for f alpha and f into f beta, it is equal to, I can replace that theta y alpha and beta. So I can write here like cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, and cos beta sin beta minus sin beta and cos beta. Okay, so now I can multiply here. So you don't you know the rule of multiplication of the matrix. First element with the first element, and that second element with third element, and it makes first element of that next matrix. So I can write here like see here, first element and first element cos alpha into cos beta. Okay, and sin alpha into sin beta. So we actually add these, what it is sin alpha sin beta, so it is sin minus sin, so sin alpha and sin beta. Okay, so it is our next element, and now first element into second element, second element into fourth element. Okay, so cos alpha sin beta, okay, plus sin alpha cos beta. Okay, similarly third element with the first element, and fourth element with third element. So minus sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta, and the third element with the second element, and fourth element with fourth element. So minus sin alpha sin beta, okay, plus cos alpha and cos beta. So from here you know the formula that sin alpha into sin beta minus cos alpha into cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta, it is equal to cos alpha plus beta. Okay, so I can write here cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha into sin beta, it is equal to cos alpha plus beta. Okay, so from here you can see that instead of this element I use only cos alpha plus beta. Okay, so cos alpha plus beta. Okay, and same thing is here. Similarly cos alpha sin beta plus sin alpha and cos beta, it is equal to sin alpha plus beta. Okay, so for this I can write here sin alpha plus beta, and if you take minus here, so you can see that these are the same. Okay, so minus sin alpha plus beta. Okay, and this is cos alpha plus beta. So if you compare these this matrix which is given and this matrix, so you can find that theta is replaced by the alpha plus beta. Okay, so this thing I can say that it is the correct choice is option B. Okay, why? Because if it is simple, we replace theta by alpha plus beta, so F is alpha plus beta is the correct option. Okay, so I hope you can, it is easy, you can do this. So thank you.